Yeah, people, you know, say real border cat I represent for the YouTube channel. It named Jamrock Radio. Naya Bingy. People, me say, no go over there, go subscribe, like, and share. So, me I say, a whole heap of inspiration over the cause of them man, I teach the youth them the right thing, you see me? Some people, you just check in with Naya Bingy. Remember me telling you, Jamrock Radio. So me I say, big up on yourself, my people. Then as we say, subscribe, like, and share. I don't know, we have to share the thing with the fans them, the supporter them, each and every one. People no check in Shirley and make the thing happen. You see me? Go over there. Give them the touch the button. You see it. Now you're being big up yourself. You see it because you don't know the blessings, you know, man, from each and every one. People. Check in Pambada Cat channel as usual. Subscribe, like, and share. You see it up there, you know, my people. As I say, you know, can see the subscriber, then we are trying to reach up to the mark. So, you just step on it as hard as you can for me, you know. You see me? Go over there, my people, them, and put in the works. Blessed love, man. Bingy, big up yourself every time. YouTube channel. Whoever Naya Bingy. Bless up my people, them. No joke. Border cat say so. Remember, good no man. As me telling us, say no, this can happen in a people. Because if you go over there and subscribe, like and share, and we see Border Cat in person, same way. Bless up on yourself. Jamrock Radio. Fully blow.
Yeah, what I got myself. Hopes everybody I do well. Hopes everybody you know the best of themselves and them kind of thing they see it. So yeah, I'm there for the next reason. I would just want to give thanks to life and give thanks to blessings. Give thanks to all the things that is upful and upright. You see it. Within the sight of the Almighty and the sight of man. You see it? Yeah, man, so as usual, we're outside. Go and take in nature and give thanks and praise to the Most High. For all our blessings we have get. And everything I have to give praises. Even the animal and the plants. Everything give praises. Yeah. Some people were there, you know. So we just go and hold a little reasoning. Take a look observation of what is happening in the park, same way too. And as usual, we'll go find one nice little spot for just sitting. A place kind of crowded certain way. I mean, as a man, I like to stay focused in time of reason. Yeah. And the crowd serves some kind of distraction, this or that. So life beautiful, yeah, man. And more time we have to just kick back and just reflect on the beauty of life and the beauty of what makes life interesting, is it? And some of them things are just some simple act of kindness. And yeah, kindness is an important thing, you know. And more time, some simple little things, you know, what we can do and none great things and then kind of sitting there. Sometimes some of them things have a way how it come back and it serves some good or some useful benefit in your life, you know. And take the time out for reason with people. Not too judgmental, not be too judgmental, you see, because sometimes that have a little problem as human being, you understand? We're quick to judge. So yeah, as I say, as human being, more time we're not quick to judge, you know, and more time some things reach we fellow brother and sister them on the road and we might look upon them and say, watch out, look how they waste their life and this and that. But we don't understand the experience what drive them to them for reach where they reach, you see it, because a whole heap of things reach people and you understand, it brings some negative thing to their life, you see it. So I'm going to share one little story. One night time, I live in Jamaica, you see it? Yeah. So I know the ones that know me personally know exactly where me forward from. But for the ones who don't know, I'm on forward from out of the St. James side of Jamaica, you see it? And yeah, the southern side of St. James, to be direct, you see it. So Montego be a few little town, you see it. Most of we in the hills we hustle in a city or we have jobs in a city and them kind of thing. You see it. Most of my life, me as a youth, me work in the hospitality industry, yeah. Me get trained for different areas in hospitality and most of my life me work in the hotel industry. As I say, I go through the relevant training and I have my certification them and then kind of sitting there, you see it. So yeah, me cover different areas in hospitality. So when that away my main means of earning when me there yard. See, before my heights up as a Rasta. So enough little things we see happening in a tourism industry and enough little things we see happening in a hotel. And then sitting there, we go start to tell some of them story there and then kind of thing there, you see. But anyway, this is a story I know, have nothing to do with no hotel, you know. I man used to work at one place named City Center in a Montego Bay. See, we used to have a vegan restaurant on the building where I man used to work in. You see it? And them have a place in a Montego Bay where they call Gully. See? Anybody who know that place, you know, say, I don't know, simple place. It's a vibrant little place and you understand, whole heap of little happenings go on and then kind of thing there, you see. So them used to ask me to buy goods for the restaurant round a one Chinese shop. Round a gully, you see it, and I used to go around there, and one time I go around there, all the while I used to see this bridging, one crackhead bridging. See, the bridging where, you understand, as I say, more time we don't feel too judgmental still, you see it. But he's a good youth, even though he is a crackhead. And I'm going to show you the bridging there. Saved my life one night. See, that's why I say, doing good always pay off. See, I'm going to tell you, so the bridging here, every time I go around at the Chinese shop, he always beg me change or beg me money and them kind of thing. They see it, and One at a time, you know. Them asked me to go around at the shop, go buy some things, but I kind of did late. Me did want to go watch one D Cup match and the time when kind of run up on them kind of thing. So when them asked me to go buy the things them, so I could have get them for using the next day and them kind of things. It kind of did anger my spirit certain kind of way still, but anyway. Me grab the list and grab the money and I go down at the shop and you understand. Then at the shop and lo and behold the brethren come round and him again approach me. See, now I tell us that this time my spirit get cross, so that like me I say I rush me, I go rush him, you see it? And you know that little calm vibes where speaking in your mind, or you understand? Well, something just tell me, say, man, calm down yourself, man, and go talk to the brethren. See? I'm take a breather, you see it? And I look around and I say to him, say, may I come, I soon deal with you. You see it? And I end up finish deal with the Chinese people them and pay them and you understand me, I get the things them and then kind of sitting there, you see it, and I walk over to the brethren and I said to the brethren, yo, come here, sir. And I walk outside with him and I said to him, say, yo, and every time you see me, if you beg me money differently still, and every time you see me, I go have a thing for give. You understand? So, more time, if you just save each other from the kind of bad vibes there and the kind of, you understand? Just know that, man. Just relax a little bit, man. I know every time you see me, if you beg me, I think, more time, I hustling people them same way to cause I want a fear for go back a country out of the change the same way to, and if me have to give it, then you understand, me go short myself same way to, you see it, so you have to understand, say, hustling, man. And I said to him, say, watch you now, you know, say, make your money differently still. And he said, oh. And I said, you see, if you borrow the Chinese people trolley and put the cornmeal and the sugar and the rice on the trolley, you can wheel it up at the restaurant and then pay you. And he must say, oh, you mean Rasta, man? We do that, man. I say, yeah, man, alright, do that then. And he do it, and me and him walk, and we hold a little chat. Decent little chat go all the way up to the restaurant, and you understand? We take off the things, and the manager pay him, and he don't feel nice. Bust off my fist and that kind of thing there. You see, so that become film regular little hustle now. You see it, so anytime him see me, instead of me take a taxi to go back up at the restaurant, him just deal with that and him collecting like a piece of food. So you understand, me and him develop a little friendship, you know. So you have a place down in a gully where, you understand, where it's a little ends where people, you understand, we go buy with little smokings. See? So now we go down to the place one night, but the night before me go in the lane, them did shoot a taxi man right out on the bridge. See? So the whole place, when me I go down, the place went just tense and the activity went kind of, you understand, dim. The place just look dead differently still. But anyway, me want the liquor spliff, so I say me I go walk over there still, you see it, and while me I walk going in the lane, a police cruiser start to pass, you see it, I go down, go up at the bridge, I go down towards the gas station. See? But the police cruiser move slow, you see it, and me I say, you know what, I not even want to turn back and the police them go stop me and question me or whatever. So I say, alright, I go continue and just take the back road and just go all the way down to creek and go across. But anyway, when I go across, some man under one shop pays away. I see them when I go in the lane. You see it and the man them call me over. Like, yo Rasta, where you go? Come here. You see it. So by the time I walk over there now and the man them ask me be a question. You see it. And one of the little man like him clutch something on the arm like you understand? So him there now and him a look for me and the rest of man them a question me. I went three of them. See, one asked me where me I go, where me come from and all kind of thing. You see it? And I met them know say up a country me live and me buy weed regular cross this and a weed man I go look. And one of them said to me, say, I must give him the money make him go buy the weed. And I give him the money and him come back and ask me if I can give him a $50. You understand? I have a bills 50. You understand? And I give him the $50 because I need the bills to pay me for. And I tell him that. You see, but by the time me and him did a chat now, the Crackhead brethren out of nowhere. I don't know where the man come from or where him see me or whatever. But him just come across the road. And the man say, Rasta, you know from when me I look for you, man. Me and you have a decent chat today. You don't know that? And the man come and hug me up. Seeing him put his hand over my neck, Reggie, hug me up. And I said, come on, man, me have to go chat. See, and the man just take me out of the crowd, the three youth them, you know. See, and the youth them know him because them have the little ass play kind of thing where, you understand? Then kick off of one another and run them like a banter and then kind of sit there, you see it? And the brethren, me and him walk up Orange Street, I go across down St. Clever's. All them time that the man still not taking hand for around my neck, brethren. See, and the man said to me, say, Rasta, don't ever do this again, man. What you do to yourself, man? You don't know the war go on in that place. And I said, no, brother, I no. Remember, say, a country I come from, I don't know none of the activities where they go on around. I say, you see? And the man said, but you see the taxi man wa get slapped with on the bridge. And I say, yeah, man, me see, me remember yesterday, I come from work, I see the incident, but I couldn't associate it with nothing what go on around here. So the man I say, yeah, man, war go on in that place, man. And you see them little youth, they're differently still. Then youth that we hurt you differently still, you see, because then we think, say, you come in a place, you can scope out the place and make people know what go on, you see it. And the man I say, you see the little brown one with the thing on the arm, him are the devil, him we hurt you. You see it? I come take you away from them in the Rasta. And I say, John no star. I tell you, say, the brethren, the man follow me go all the way round to court. See, and the man left until me jump in a taxi, brethren. See? But you see, before we even reach on a court, we reach like where them have a supermarket at the end of St. Clever's there, sir. Almost at the end of St. Clever's. See? And the man, like him stop a little while and said to me, say, go on like you go tie your shoes lace, but not look back sudden. You see it, but just take a look up the road. And when time, when I go down and tie my shoes lace like go on with the thing. And I look up the road at the same brown youth. The man follow me all the way from round a gully. Come all the way up there, sir. Seeing him stand up at the light, up at Hometown supermarket around the little side there. You see it? And may I tell you, sir, brother, when I reach home in my yard, the way I feel traumatized, because I say, look how I could have just get dash wet. For nothing at all, for nothing what I don't know about, for nothing what I'm not involved in, you see it. But I just a little act of kindness. You see me, I say, the time when I feel like I say, I'm going to get angry with the virgin, and you understand, a little soft voice to talk to me. You see it. I saw life talk to people, you know, I the voice I got them kind of things, you know. More time we get some little things where we call intuition, where we feel a vibration, we feel an energy. We see something come up in our way. For, you understand, kind of linger with from move at certain timing. You see it, and them kind of little things protect you and guide you and then kind of sit there. You see it, and you understand, because more time we have some kind of protection around us when time we do. When time we do positive things, when you do good things differently still. Good we follow you see it, and me is a strong believer in them kind of things, you see it. So, people, encourage you want them around there them to do good, you see it, and you understand, just do good as much as you can, because we create our own reality, you know, you see it, because if we meditate upon negativity, then it's almost like what we expect, you see it. So when we create negative vibration in our mind, and sometimes we even unconsciously create the atmosphere for the negative vibration what we are think and what we are made span, and them kind of things that we affect you how you live and them kind of way. Do you see it? So we could try to do as much good as we can, you see it, and you know mean say you have to do good to everybody what you see, but do as much good as you can, you see it. And just think positive and think for our upright level, you see it. What you want for yourself, make sure say what you want for people same way too, you see it, and what you wouldn't want people to do to you, don't make them kind of things if they do to people same way too, you see, because as I say, we create our own reality with thoughts, and then with thoughts become action, and you understand. And go and bless up on yourself and take care of them family same way as usual. And yeah man, smash the subscription button, man, you see it. And smash the like button, share the video with your friend them same way too. You understand? If you like the content what you see, you understand, share it in the comment section and make we know. So no don't know, go and bless up there themselves. More life and love. Rastafari live.